Okay, I have a key from Opel Astra. It looks like this, and this is the board. The customer came in to bring this key to me to repair it, and it was really rough. It was in a very bad condition. A button was replaced before, and it was not the same button of those on the board. It was a big one. I made a video about it, and I'm gonna include it in this video. And the thing is, the other shop that changed the button before and made a mess on this PCB. After they changed the button, the key won't work anymore, so the car won't start. And I noticed something here. I'm gonna show you on the microscope. I made a video about this key, but my OBS software crashed, so I lost it. I noticed this problem. You can see the board is cracked. Here as well. And those traces from here to here were ripped because the board is split in half, and those are through holes that goes from here to the back of the board. And this one the same. I soldered 2 wires here and one here. To this race, and one here to this one, because somebody worked on it and I don't know why and how they split the board in half. So now the key is working. The key is in there, in the programmer, and I'm gonna press detect read, and now it's reading. Done.